Hello, everybody, and welcome back to our channel Tech World. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we guys can send how you guys can share your notes from your iPhone to any other person, whether he's using Android or anything else. So just follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, Tech World, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now let's move on with today's video now, shall we now to share a note. It's pretty simple. So you can open a notes icon over here by clicking on it. And once your notes open up, what you can do is you can either create a note for you to send, or you can either choose the notes from over here. So if I want to send a demo note to one of my friends, I can hold on a demo note and click on Research Share Note. Once I click on it, I can choose whichever medium I want to use to send this note. So if I want to send it to Viber, I can click on Viber. And it's going to be uploaded in my Viber. So once it's uploaded, I can enter a person's name or their phone number over here to continue. So I want to send my note to my friend by the low lead. That's why I write its name. But if you want to send it to multiple person at a time, you can enter multiple person's name at a time or multiple person's email at a time. After enter multiple person's name, email, clicking continue, and it will be sent to your friends. So I can go to my Viber to check if it has been sent or not. So I go to Viber over here, and I wait for some time and load for it. It says waiting network, and over here you want to choose which friend you want to send. So I wrote my friend by the lowly's names. I'm going to choose by the lowly, click on yes, wait for some time. And as you guys can see, there's going to be a personal looking icon, which means the note has been shared with bad lowly. Now I can go on my Viber over here. And it should have been shared over here just like this. Nobody can click on this link and he can edit the note or do whatever thing he wants with the note. Alright, so that's how we guys can share note, but I don't want to share it right now. So I'm just going to delete this over here. I just wanted to show you guys how you guys can do it as a demo. Alright, so hope you guys understand how we guys can share notes on iPhone. If you guys did, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Bye. And if you guys want to create a note and share it again, just click on this great note button at the bottom left corner of the screen. And you can write whichever thing you want. Click on done. Go back. It's going to be shown over here. The next step is same as I did before.